Alright guys, so I don't know what happened to the recording again, but here's episode 3. Last episode we followed some kids. Yeah, dude, why? Why did you leave me? You just ditched me. Alright, get on.
No.
Get on.
No.
Get on.
You get on.
Get on.
No.
Get on.
No.
Get on.
Yes, yeah, I'd break that thing.
Get on.
I'd break it.
Get on.
I'd break it.
It holds more than 100.
I'm gonna ride that mountain bike.
Trent, no. He's gonna ride it. Oh my god. Trent, come on.
Well, it's nice.
Dude, put it on the cart. Carry the whole thing on the cart. There's some ladies over there.
It's a cool bike.
There's a lady.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, dude. I might get this for my birthday.
Cool.
How much is it?
Never seen him. I guess my weight.
Shit. Trent, they wanted the cart. I like this bike. Me and my ride, ladies. Beep, 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 beep. Dude, I really like this bike. I love it. Me and my sweet ride, I just got it. Move that over. Are you fucking retarded, Trenton? Hey, I got one too. You're fat. Oh shit, Trenton. Lady. Trenton, there's a lady. I'm just gonna sit in here. Ow.
This floor is so smooth.
Wow, that's a low price. Trenton, quit. Quit. I don't know. I think you're supposed to knee on it. I'm not good at this. Move, dude, quit. I'm actually wanting to get this thing. You're just messing around. I'm gonna hold my phone right there. Oh man. I like this thing. Gotta put my ride up.
Yeah.
My sweet ride. All the ladies dig it. Perfect shot. Domination. Dang-a-lang-a-lang-dang. Shit. Ball. Peg him. Trent, quit. Cool, quit. No, quit. Quit. Go. Quit. Got it. Oh man. Alright, come on, quit. Oh, man. Alright, Trent, come on. Come on, dude. Trent, do you know how to go? Alright, come on, do it past him. You record.
Thank you.
People.
Can you look out?
Where's 25?
How much is that?
Which is this, 25? Bad girl. I'm definitely not doing it with my left. Not left-handed. 15.
You're so strong.
Cruising bottle, no way. Oh my God.
This looks heavy, but it's not.
Hey.
It's not heavy at all. It's 8 pounds.
Dude.
Or-
Yeah. Oh God. Dude, do you know how bad that hurt? Shit. That one's probably heavier, huh?
It's 10 pounds.
Yeah. I can curl this.
Does this bounce? Nope.
Doesn't bounce.
Should.
Dude, she is hot. She is very hot. Get that guy out of the way. She's hot. Whew. She's ugly, man. Come on. Look at her. She's disgusting. Oh my God. Oh my God, she's so hot. No. You mad, bro? You mad, bro? Alright, let's just quit making fun.
Idiot. Gatorade. Are you serious? $5 for a Gatorade?
Are you serious? Wow, that's a high price.
It's not low.
Shot blocks. Alright, quit.
Break it now.
It's not a candy bar. I'm gonna get a Gatorade. You want one?
Yeah.
We can drink it right now. As long as I pay for it.
They cost $5.
No, for a whole pack.
You don't got money with you. You ain't gonna pay for it.
my money with me.
Prove it.
You're not getting one.
Yeah,
Only I'm getting one, jeez.
I'd be a douche. By myself. One.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Don't get one if you want, okay?
No. I see it now.
Dude, I'm gonna drink this.
Drink it. As long as you pay for it. Keep it.
What is that annoying noise?
Yeah, I know. It's annoying the fuck out of me.
Taking it up the asshole. That's this guy. Nope.
Nope. It's him.
He scared the shit out of me.
Carry around this ball. Keep me company. Let's go back to the skateboard.
Bang! No.
Skateboards are
No.
fun. Can you hula hoop?
No, dude, I can't even hula hoop. Not a lot.
I can. Let's see if I can. Nope. I can't. Nope. Plastic on it. Hey, there's a pigeon following in the miles.
Where?
They're down there.
Where? That's right. Dude, imagine if the Ripsticks were out. I would be grinding everywhere on those. Like me and Lauren did that all the time. Quit. You get that one. Come on! Get the one that you had. Oh, where are the kids? Where are the kids?
On that aisle.
Come on.
Whoops. Wait a minute.
Camera. Let's go.